Let's check back in with Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman to see what we can expect for our conditions. Matt.
Well, we've had another pretty significant storm impacting not only California, but our neck of the woods as well. Let's take a look at the big picture, and you can see the spin of this low pressure system just off the Oregon coast. All the air is funneling up from the south, tapping into some moisture, and we've seen some impressive rainfall amounts over the last few days in the Mount Shasta area. The past 72 hours, over 4 inches of rain being reported in Mount Shasta City, and it's still raining fairly steady right now. Zooming in, you can see some of that rain and higher elevation snow, especially in the Mount Shasta area, southern portions of Siskiyou County, but shower activity is fairly expansive out there tonight, and it does look like we're starting to see a changeover take place in the Klamath Basin. We'll be watching that closely. Some light snow accumulations are possible overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Pretty expansive shower activity through Josephine and Curry counties right now. Current temperatures at 33 in Klamath Falls, so we've likely seen now a changeover to some snow as temperatures drop. Most east side areas, snow amounts overnight, a dusting up to an inch or two. Shouldn't be too terribly significant. Currently 39 degrees in Mount Shasta. We should see a change over to snow later tonight. Right now 45 in Medford. Winds have come down quite a bit, still pretty gusty though along the coast, and we will look for some more blustery weather for tomorrow. Overnight tonight though, in the meantime, we'll be looking at pretty widespread wet weather, but we should start to see some of that tapering off as we head into the daytime hours tomorrow. A winter storm warning in Siskiyou County above 5,000 feet goes until 10 o'clock on Tuesday in the evening. Here's a look at additional snowfalls overnight and through tomorrow evening. Several inches of snow for the Mount Shasta Ski Park. A good 1 to 2 feet is still going to be possible through tomorrow. Snowman Summit 4 to 8 inches. Grass Lake 1 to 3, about 2 to 4 inches for Black Butte Summit, and Mount Shasta City, depending on how quickly those snow levels drop, we could see about 1 to 2 inches or so. So tomorrow, most of the region will see kind of things taming down as far as the shower activity goes. In Medford, we have a chance at actually getting 60 tomorrow for high temperature if we can see enough sunshine. Taking a look at Stormcast, here's how things play out into the morning. Snow showers on the east side, some snow in the Mount Shasta area as well. But notice through the day tomorrow, most of the area is pretty quiet. But we will start to see activity, rain and higher elevation snow showers picking up in coverage for tomorrow night on into Wednesday. So we should see pretty widespread wet weather on Wednesday before we start to get into a drier weather pattern late this week. Here's a look at snowfall. This is for tomorrow night through Wednesday. Notice snowfall amounts in our higher elevations, not too terribly significant, but enough to kind of slow things down a little bit for our higher passes. Rainfall amounts now through Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Notice those totals most significant in the Mount Shasta area once again and near the coast. Taking a look at your hiking forecast for the Rogue Valley, still looking at the potential for some wet weather through Wednesday, drier conditions for Thursday, but some big changes are on the way as we head through the weekend. Mild on Saturday, but a blast of colder air into the start of next week, and that could mean some pretty big travel impacts on Monday with some much lower snow levels, maybe snow levels down to about 2,000 feet. 7-day forecast for the coast, more wet weather tomorrow into Wednesday. Chances for rain will continue later Thursday into Friday, but most inland areas looking much quieter later this week, including for Northern California. Mostly sunny skies expected Saturday. The Klamath Basin, the chance for more rain and snow showers over the next couple of days. Drier weather later this week. Up in the mountains, we'll be looking at slippery passes at times over the next couple of days, but some good travel weather expected late in the week. And then in the Rogue Valley, look for some overall milder temperatures, highs in the low 60s Friday and Saturday, and then a big change in our weather as we head into next week.